did a piece of activity with our finance director, and he thinks tracking out between now and probably, I would guess, we give ourselves up to about 2020 or thereabouts. There's the best part of £1 billion worth of efficiencies to go after. We call it about 800 million at the moment. That's kind of a finger in the air. I think activities like the exchange, which is one of our key planks for engaging our suppliers, will help us to identify that number, but it's not insignificant.
All of our fresh meat are in those great big plastic pods you can't get in your fridge. Yeah? Now, if we were to get rid of those big plastic pods and put it into skin packaging, which you've seen our extra special range in, just in beef alone, we would remove 3.3 million kilos of plastic from landfill. We'd take 600 lorries off the road. Is that not industry leading? That's the sort of stuff we're doing together, and that's what we've got out of it.
We make Ventolin inhalers. When you calculate it, from use of GSK's propellants, it's about 6 million tonnes carbon footprint equivalent. But what we started to do is to say, actually, we'd like to get back used inhalers, because then we can get back the aluminium, recycle that, but then we can also get back the residual propellant, and we can reduce the overall emission because that propellant's not lost to the atmosphere. But we've been talking to our plastic manufacturers, and they're now able to recycle or downcycle some of the plastic we get back. But more interestingly, the refrigerant that we're capturing is now going to be downcycled into car refrigeration sets. All that is actually now gone from a net waste cost, to a net revenue stream. You wouldn't have come at it at all if you were just asking, how am I going to create a revenue stream for this business? It's only because there was this, I call it a nudge for sustainability, that we looked at it.
Keep it simple. I mean, we come from a very technical background, but it's about engaging the end user who are normally non-technical. So how do we translate engineering speak into everyday language? Plan, reflect, and really think about the best way to approach, a massive problem.
The way we'll all really make much quicker progress to improve our sustainability, to reduce our carbon emissions, is to share knowledge more and to collaborate more. And so we want to create a really active community that's doing that.
I think all too often both suppliers and clients are very focused on their own goals rather than how to be greater than the sum of their parts by being more collaborative. Stick with it. The market's there, the market's evolving. It's certainly big enough for all of us to play in, and really the opportunities are about.